welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe because I have a bunch of house type videos and random vlogs and other videos coming your way. I am trying to build up and film multiple videos in one day so that I have stuff to just push out into the world of my YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe. Also, I want to say hello. Welcome to my cleaning channel now because I am going to do a cleaning video, and I've done one before but it was at my parents' house, and now that I have my own house I decided that I probably needed to make one of my own. So I'm going to show you the products that I use, and then I'll do time lapses and show you kind of what my routine is when I clean my house. I have a few things happening this weekend. Well, I just have a busy weekend, so I want my house to be clean. So today is actually Wednesday, but I just want my house to be nice and fresh and clean. So the products that I actually use when I clean, I have all the Clorox sprays and bleach sprays and that kind of thing that I will do every once in a while. But for this video, I'm just going to be using the Method brand of sprays. They have been my favorite thing to use since owning this house. This is just the glass cleaner version. I use this on all of my mirrors, so the mirrors in my bathrooms, and I have one mirror that I'm kind of scared to touch it because I feel like it's gonna break and fall off the wall, but I have the mirror that's in my entryway on the shiplap wall, and I usually just dust that one because I never really go over there or anything like that. So, but this is mainly just for the glass of mirrors and things. And then I have this one, which is the all-purpose cleaner. And this I use for literally what it says, it's for everything. I use this for my countertops in my bathrooms, and I also actually use this as a stainless steel cleaner, which I know that they have one and I'm planning on getting one, but for now this is what I've been using. It works great for my refrigerator, all my stainless steel appliances, to clean all the fingerprints off and things like that. So that is what I use. And then they actually have a daily granite cleaner, or just granite countertop cleaner. And I actually use this on my, obviously, granite countertops in my kitchen. So that is what I use for spraying down everything. And then I also have the Febreze, it's light air sea spray scent. And I love this stuff just for a light cleanse of the air, And so yeah, that's basically everything that I use. And I just use a little towel to wipe everything down. And sometimes I'll use paper towels, but I feel like this is a lot of a more environmental friendly instead of me having to waste all of my paper towels and things. So I just use a little rag or a towel to put everything down. And I also have some dishes that need to be put away. I have clothes that need to be put away. I have a bunch of different things that need to be happening in this house to get it clean. So let's go ahead and start cleaning. I'm gonna move you over here. Whoops. Okay. I'm gonna move you right here. I actually have you on a tripod now, so this is lovely instead of me setting you on my Keurig. But I'm going to start off by cleaning up the kitchen area, which really there's nothing really that needs to be cleaned. I do need to clean the top of my counter, the oven and everything. However, I'm actually about to cook some pizza snacks for dinner because it is obviously 5 o'clock. I don't know if you can read my microwave right here, but it's almost 5:30. So I am getting hungry for dinner, so I'm gonna make pizza snacks. But this needs to be thrown in the dirty clothes or the laundry or whatever, and then I'm gonna use this to clean everything. hopefully you can see me. The lighting is like adjusting. Okay, this stuff right here, if there's any cleaning product that you need, it is this stuff. It is the Dawn Power Wash Spray, and I use it I mainly use it to clean out my Ember mug because I can't put this in the oven, or not the oven, what's it called? I can't put this in the dishwasher because of the battery in it. And so I have to hand wash it every time, so I use this to make sure that I get everything out of the cup. But also what I like to use this for is cleaning my sink. So I'm gonna like move the camera where you can actually like see what I'm talking about, but it is so satisfying once the sink is like all clean and stuff. I also got a bathroom guest book, which I find really funny. What I use for laundry, I'm not sure if you can see me, I think you can, but what I use for laundry is I use some of these Downy Febreze odor defense little, what do they call it, little pearls or something, and I actually really like them, so I just fill it up to the line that I want, and then I just dump them in there. And then for detergent, I just use the Tide Free and Gentle. I don't have any like problems with detergents and stuff, but I just really like this one. I just picked it out and I really like the smell of it and everything. So basically it's just free of any fragrance and all that stuff. And I also use the Ultra Downy Free and Gentle softener as well. So that's what I have right now. Okay, so this is my bathroom, and it has some garbage that I need to take out, and I just need to clean off the countertop and basically just put everything, organize everything, which won't take me that long. Also, this is all over TikTok. Just want to do a little like, it's not focusing. Okay, this is also all over TikTok, and honestly, it is amazing. I would highly recommend checking it out because it is amazing. I just got it the other day and I love it. And then all of these just go in my little drawer here. I just stick them in there, and then also everything just goes in that one drawer. Okay, and there's that. I'm also gonna wipe down the countertops and everything, but y'all have seen that. And I'm just gonna go and put the garbage away, and y'all know how that works. You just put it in the garbage can. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this cleaning video. I hope you like it, and let me know if you want any other cleaning type videos or what you want to see on my channel. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.